gonna unload, and we only unload for like 20 seconds. And it goes from like 105 to 95. Stand by for me to remember. God forbid it's been 5 minutes. There we go. Now we're gonna load back up. Our load cycle is less. We're just taking it up to 105 and then we go into unload. Now, we're cycling at about a 25% duty cycle, give or take. There's like no load on the plant, right? This is a 150 horsepower second generation Electrosaver 2 by Gardner Denver. It's tied into a receiver tank that's right at 1,060 gallons. Note that we have 4-inch piping. Both the two compressors are tied in with 3-inch into a 4-inch wet header. The 4-inch wet header goes into the 1,000-gallon receiver tank. And then when it comes out, it's reduced to 3-inch and then reduced again to 2-inch. Now, they have these are two 750 CFM Deskin dryers. And realistically, if they had the purge saver controls on them, they might work okay, right? Because they could maintain the right pressure dew point, but I would have them both aligned. But even still, look at this. When these dryers come together, it's already way too small pipe, right? But now, even together, they have a 2-inch pipe right here, and then it goes back to, it looks like it actually goes back to 4 there. But this corner is a problem, as well as just running it through one. And then, okay, I like the purge pressure a little bit better there. Okay, not bad, not crazy. So we've got some configuration issues. We're gonna have to call Hankeson and see what if they have a price to modify this into a purge saving option. Fun, fun, fun.